So that's good because I'm going to start imagining how the baby is lying. The baby's head is down. Now I'm coming up. I can see that the head is down. The spine is over here. So this, because the head is down, the spine is here. This is the fetal left. And this is the fetal right. So now I'm going to look. I could optimize it a little bit. Now we can see, we know that this is left and right. So I'm seeing descending aorta and stomach on the left, and IVC anterior and right. And now I'm going to come, and you can just, here's the sweep, showing that the heart's on the left, and the apex is 45 degrees. So now it depends what we want to look at. Again, there's many things to see on the 4-chamber view. I'm going to change the depth. And now I'm going to change the scan area. So we have a very high resolution imaging now. Beautiful, we're seeing beautiful imaging of the tricuspid valve, the mitral valve. See, I'm doing them one at a time. Mitral valve, tricuspid valve. Here's the crux of the heart. But notice, it looks like there's a VSD here. But that's because I'm parallel. This crux looks okay, but I want to look from over here. But for now, I can see the heart size is normal, the function is normal, the mitral valve, tricuspid valve look normal. You can see the foraminal valley a little bit here. You can start to see a pulmonary vein coming in here from the right. And here's this structure we'll talk about later between the left lower pulmonary vein and the left atrial appendage. So that's a good sign when we see it. So this is a good view to look with color for valvular regurgitation. And first, I want to make the color box quite small. And then I have to change the scale. Yeah, this up here. We want this all the way up for valvular regurgitation. So we're doing all the way up. Now you can see the color is very nice. And I put the gain way up. You can see a little bit more tricuspid regurgitation. But I'll drop it down a little bit. But there looks like there's trace to mild tricuspid regurg. It's usually normal. And I'm looking at the left ventricular tract. There's no regurg. And sweeping to the right ventricular tract. Even though my favorite view is going perpendicular, this is a good view first to look at the Poner vein. See the Poner vein I see here, so I know it should be red when I turn on the flow. And here you see it very nicely. And I'm lowering the scale over here, a little bit lower to see beautiful flow. And the other thing from here is we can see narrowing the sector to optimize it, zooming up. Now I'm doing the sweep to the 3-vessel view. So here's the PA, pulmonary artery, the aorta, trachea, SVC. So you could see it's a left arch. If it were a right arch, I would follow the aorta, and instead of going here, it would go straight down here. But it's over here. And the color is also useful. It shows flow in the 3-vessel view is in the same direction, posterior. So these are all the important things to see from this angle. But notice this. This can look like a big ventricular septal defect because we're not perpendicular. And likewise, you might miss override from this angle. And this is not the view to look for ventricular septal defect in the septum. So now you can see that there's a echogenic focus. It's a very common. So now I want to now get a different angle. I want to get perpendicular from here. So how do we do that? Well, I can try. What I do is I look to make sure I'm holding the probe right. I look over here and I'm coming to the mother's right. That was interesting. Sometimes you could see the esophagus get bigger and smaller sometimes. That's what that was. But now, oh, the baby's helping me. So I want to look at the outflow tracts. So what I was saying though is I know this is the maternal right and left, and I want to come from here. So I'm going to have the mother turn onto her right side to have the heart move this way. Or I can come over here, but I'm going to first have her move. Now let's see. Now the arm is in the way, unfortunately. So now I'm using 2 hands, so you need to bring the microphone towards it. Now we have the arm in the way and the head in the way. Well, I'll go this way, although I prefer the other way. I prefer to have the right ventricle on top, left ventricle below. But for now, we could try this way. Maybe I'm going to have her move again, go on to the other side. Okay, so here, now the baby's moving. See, it makes a big difference to have the baby move. This is good. Okay. So here's, I'm using 2 hands. I'll go this way, even though I prefer the other way. But you can see, this is what I was talking about earlier. Sometimes I can only look at one part of the heart at a time because it's difficult to image. So here, for instance, I'm showing the lower part of the atrial septum is intact, the crux is intact. So I have to remember that. And here, I'm showing that the inlet septum is intact. There's no ventricular septal defect.